Okay, so this whole lesson is all about rounding to the nearest whole or half. So with 6 and 1/12, the closest number would be 6, because that's like saying you have 6 wholes and then only one additional 12th. So that's not very much. So that's super close to 6. All right, on this next one, so 5 and 4/5. If you have 4/5, you're only 1/5 away from having another whole. So 5 and 4/5 is going to be closest to 6. Okay, and then it's just 6 plus 6 is 12. And then you just got to type it again. This equal sign, it's squiggly because it means about 12 because we are estimating. So don't forget when you see that, it still means equal, but it's about 12. Okay, I'll help you get this one started and then hopefully you can do the rest on your own. So we're thinking about this one. So we have 5 and 3/8. If I'm thinking about eighths, so 8/8 would make a whole. So I'm thinking right in the middle would be 4/8. So 3/8 is only 1/8 away from being half. So 5 and 3/8 is actually closest to 5 1/2. Because 5 1/2 is the same as 5 and 4/8 because we're rounding to the nearest whole or half. On this one, you have 4 and 6/7. And this fraction, 7/7 would make one whole, but we have 6/7. That still is only 1/7 away from making another whole. So we're going to say that this is close to 7/7. So it'd be 4 plus 1, which is going to give you 5. Okay, on the next part, it's going to have you add these two together. So just add the 5s and then put which fraction you have left over. Hopefully that helps. If you need more help, let me know and I will send you another video.